for shizzle my nizzle. Or record. Man, it's beautiful. Hey, Bibi. Hey, Bibi. ANKAFUL. Hey, there. Hey, I'm going to be coming to show. Amen. Yeah, so the food is ready, and I mean the whole family is really amazing. Yeah. So I wash my hand also. Wow. Amazing.
Genevieve, you know eating.
Man, it's beautiful.
We can't like a gaga.
Hey, Bibi. Hey, Bibi. ANKAFUL. Hey, there. Hey, I'm going to be coming to show. Amen. Man, I keep saying, the whole Ghana or the whole world, happiness is in the village. Happiness is in the village. Travel and see. Yeah. Once a while, pick a car, go to the village and explore things for yourself. Baby, mommy, and man, it's really beautiful over here. This cassava or gari makers. It's really amazing to be in the midst of a group like this, to have fun. Yeah, so if you want to see more of these kind of videos, man, then send me Momo. 020-111-4223. Send me some Momo, and I'll be going to villages. And I'll do like try and eat with the group or the people in the village like this, you know? It's really beautiful. Okay, medipodo. Yeah. Okay. So that's for today. Let's do this again. Who can we see in the comments? Make sure you subscribe for shizzle my nizzle. Or record. Yeah,